Students, factorize the following. What is that factorize the following given question? So first subdivision, see that p minus q whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16, this is given question. So going to see solution. Third question, first subdivision, p minus q whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16, this is a given question. Here see that given question somewhat complicated. This given question has two variables, but two variables somewhat complicated. So therefore take it, let p minus q, that's an example 3.1 like that. So take it p minus q, take it x, then here we can substitute p minus q is the x square minus 6x minus 16. This is a given question. Take factorize. Here coefficient of x square is the 1. Therefore directly you can take constant term is the minus 16. Minus 16. Now sum of the factor minus 6, because coefficient of x is the minus 6. Sum of the factor minus 6 what? Product of the factor want minus 16. What are the factors possible? See that 8 2s are rather 2 8s are 16. But I want minus 16 minus 6. So want to give sum of the factor minus 6. That now in the number minus tharno ondrudhu. So which depends on the sum of the factor. Sum of the factor I want minus 6. Therefore, which one we can give minus? Minus give to 8. So minus 8. Now take it. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. What do you get answer? 2 minus 8 minus 6. Because greater number is a 8. Symbol of 8 is a minus. Next 2 into minus 8. We get a minus 16. So take write it. X square minus 6x minus 16 we can now write. See that, what is that? X square minus 6x minus 16 equal to x square. Now splitting this middle term, how we can splitting 2 and minus 8, therefore 2x minus 8x minus 16. Now grouping that first two term and the second two term. First two term, what is the common? X is common, take outside, remaining x plus 2. Second, third and fourth term, what is that common? 8 minus 8 common, take outside, remaining x plus 2. Now both terms see that x plus 2 common, take outside, x plus 2 goes outside, remaining x minus 8. So finally x value wants your assumption, this takes substitute. X value is a p minus q, therefore p minus q whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16 equal to p minus q plus 2 into p minus q minus 8. These are required factors, therefore p minus q plus 2 and p minus q minus 8 are factors of given polynomial. What is that? P minus q whole square minus 6 into p minus q minus 16. Hence solution first one over. Next going to this second subdivision. What is that given second subdivision? M square plus 2mn minus 24n square. This is a given question. So now going to find solution. Coefficient, here you see that so quadratic polynomial in variables m and n. So coefficient of m square and coefficient of n square take multiply. Coefficient of n square is the 1 into coefficient of n square is the minus 24. Take multiply. We get a plus into minus minus 1 into 24. We get again 24 minus 24. So sum of the factor I want what's that? Coefficient of mn is the 2. Sum of the factor I want plus 2. Product of the factor I want minus 24. So what are the factors possible? See that 4 6 are 24. So I want minus 24 plus 2. What is the possible? I want sum of the factor plus 2. Therefore want to give minus for whether x or 6 or whether 4 or 6. So which one we can select? Minus 4. So minus 4 plus 6 we get a plus 2, because what is the greater number? Plus 6. Next minus 4 into 6 we get a minus 24. Condition satisfied. Therefore m square plus 2mn minus 24n square we can write. See that m square. Now splitting the 2mn as a factors, what is that? Minus 4 plus 6. The factor then we can take right minus 4mn plus 6mn minus 24n square. So now grouping that first two term and the last two terms. Now first two term, what is the common? M is common, take outside, remaining m minus 4n. Plus next this two term, we have 6 and n common, 6n goes outside, remaining m minus 4n. Now see that we have two terms. In two term, what is the common? M minus 4n common, take outside, remaining m plus 6n. Therefore m minus 4n, take outside common, m minus 4n goes outside, remaining m plus 6n. So therefore the m minus 4n and m plus 6n are factors of, what is that question? M square plus 2mn minus 24 n square. Next, going to see third one. What is the given question? Root 5 into a square plus 2a minus 3 into root 5. This is also one of the quadratic equation. So in variable is the a. Variable is a. Now coefficient of a square is the root 5 into constant term, what is that? Minus 3 into root 5. Minus 3 into root 5. Take multiply. Root 5 into minus 3 into root 5. So plus into minus, again we get a minus root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5. So minus 3 into root 5 we get a 5. So 5 3s are minus 15. So now product of the factor I want minus 15. Sum of the factor I want plus 2. What is the possible? So going to check. See that 3 5s are 15, but I want minus 15. Adding I want a plus 2. So therefore I am choosing minus for 3. So minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 you get a 2. Minus 3 into plus 5 you get a minus 15. So condition satisfied. So sum of the factor plus 2, product of the factor minus 15, condition satisfied. Therefore this take right. Root 5 into a square plus 2a minus 3 into root 5 equal to root 5 into a square. 2a we can split. How we can split? Minus 3 plus 5. Therefore minus 3 plus 5. Therefore first take 5 plus 5a minus 3a minus 3 into root 5. So next see that grouping the first two term. What is the common? That a is common, root 5 is common. Appo root 5 into a. Root 5 into a taking outside. Remaining what is that? Root 5 come outside, a go come outside, remaining a only. Here a only 1 you have, they are going outside, remaining 5. Other 5 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா இங்க பாருங்க 5 we can write root 5 into root 5. அப்போ இந்த root 5 அதாவது root 5 we can write root 5 into root 5. அப்போ இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய 5 root 5 எழுதலாம். 1 5 goes outside, remaining 1 root 5 have. Minus, see that in both terms minus common, take outside, 3 common, take outside. Remaining a, அதாவது minus goes outside, remaining opposite signs want to come. So minus a plus a, இங்க minus இருக்கிறது plus வந்துடும், plus root 5. Now see that a plus root 5 common in both terms, take outside, a plus root 5 come outside, remaining root 5 into a minus 3. So therefore required factors are, what is that? A plus root 5 and root 5 into a minus 3 are factors of, what is that given polynomial? Root 5 into a square plus 2a minus 3 into root 5. Hence the solution over. So next fourth one. What is that given? A power 4 minus 3a square plus 2. Yes, the given polynomial, the order is 4. So now first this take simplify. A power 4 take rewrite a square whole square minus 3a square plus 2. Now take it, let x equal to a square. That a square we take it x. A square take it x square. Sorry, x only. Therefore a square value is the x whole square minus 3x plus 2. So x whole square we can write x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the required polynomial. Now take factorize. Here constant, what's the coefficient of x square is the 1. 1 into constant term 2. 1 into 2 again we get to 2. So 1 into 2, 2. Now factorize. So factorize, now I want sum of the factor minus 3. Coefficient of x is the minus 3. Yeah. So sum of the factor minus 3. Product of the factor plus 2. What is that possible? 1 into 2 only possible. Because factor of 2, 1 into 2 only possible. Now sum of the factor minus 3. Therefore minus 1 minus 2 give it. Minus 1 minus 2 adding minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 into 2 2. So sum of the factor minus 3 condition satisfied. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 condition satisfied. Therefore this we can write x square minus. So minus 3x we can split minus x into minus 2. Therefore minus x minus 2x plus 2. Now in first two term consider what is the common. X is common, take out the remaining x minus 1. Next last two term consider what is the common. Minus 2 common, take outside. Minus 2 taking, want to come opposite side inside the bracket. Then minus 2 goes opposite side. What is it? Minus 1 opposite and plus. Therefore want to come plus x. Up here plus 2 other minus 2 goes inside outside. Up here now opposite side minus 2 goes outside, remaining 1. Now see that in both term what is the common. X minus 1 common. That x minus 1 common. Then x minus 1 into x minus 2. So my assumption what is that x is the a square. Therefore that a square takes substitute here. Therefore x square minus 1 into x square minus 2. Therefore finally take right a power, sorry, x value is the a square. Small mistake. Therefore a power 4 minus 3a square plus 2 equal to what is that, a square minus 1 into a square minus 2. So this is the required solution. Therefore a square minus 1 and a square minus 2 are factors of given polynomial. What is that? A power 4 minus 3a square plus 2, and solution over. Next going to see fifth one. So what is the given question in fifth one? 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square. This is the given question. 8m cube minus 2m square n minus 15m n square. So this is also, what is that? Out of this polynomial is the cubic. The variable is the m and n. Now is there any common? See that in all the term constant has no common, but m is common, take outside. We get m goes outside, remaining what is that? 8m square minus 2mn minus 15n square. So now coefficient of m square and coefficient of n square take multiply. Here coefficient of m square 8, coefficient of n square is the minus 15, take multiply. So minus 15 into n, take multiply. Plus into minus minus. 8 5s are 40, put 0, remaining 4. 8 into 1, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 120. So constant term is the minus 120. The coefficient of m square and coefficient of n square take multiply, minus 120. Now take factorize minus 120. At the same time sum of the factor I want minus 2, product of the factor minus 120. So what is the possible? Going to check. So this was somewhat is a big number, somewhat so difficult. Therefore first off take factorize 120. So what are the factors? See that 120. Now 120 at the factor pandra. See that second table factor panna enna varum 60. Next second table 30. Next second table 15. Next third table 5. So enakku I want what is that, a minus 120 product of the factors. and at the same time sum of the factor minus 2 I want. What are the factors possible? Going to check. So therefore possible factors are 10 12s are 120, but I want minus 120. At the same time sum of the factor minus 2. Sum of the factor minus 2 I want. Therefore which one we can give minus? So minus 12. Therefore 10 minus 12 plus into see that plus 10 minus 12 you get a minus 2 because greater number is the 12 minus 12. And next one, what is that? 10 into minus 12. 10 into minus 12 you get a minus 120. So condition satisfied. Therefore we can write, see that m into 8m square minus minus 2m when we can write, see that plus 10 minus 12 we can write. Therefore plus 10 mn minus 12 mn minus 15 n square. So now what is the common? First grouping the term this 2 and this 2. See that m into, see the both the term 2 is common and m is common, take outside. 2m taking outside, remaining 2m goes outside, remaining is the 4m. 2m goes remaining 4m. Here 2m goes remaining 5n. Plus next see that 12 minus 12 mn minus 15n square. What is the common? Minus is common, take outside. Next n is common and 3 is common, take outside. So minus 3n taking outside, remaining 4m plus minus goes inside outside, remaining what is that? Opposite side want to give inside. Minus goes remaining plus 12mn plus 15n square. N is common, take outside. 3 is common, then 3n goes remaining 4m plus 3n goes remaining, what is that? 5n. So next see that m into, in the both terms see that here plus into minus want to come minus. In both terms what is that common? 4m plus 5n common, take outside. 4m plus 5n common, take outside, remaining 2m. Here plus into minus minus 3n. So therefore m into 4m plus 5n into 2m minus 3n, this is the required factors. So finally m into 4m plus 5n into 2m minus 3n, this is the required factors, and solution over. Next fifth one over. Next sixth subdivision, 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy is given. Going to find solution. So given question, first take, right, 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy. We can write, see that 1 by x square, 1 by x whole square plus 1 by y whole square plus 2 by xy. This we can write 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y. See that the given form 1 by x whole square plus 1 by y whole square plus 2 into 1 by x into 1 by y. Given term we can write like this. So what type of the form this question? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Have like this form, a square plus b square plus 2ab. அது இங்கே ஸ்கொயரில் இருக்க டம் தான் இங்கே ஸ்கொயர் இல்லாமல் இருக்குது. அப்போ a square plus b square plus 2ab we can write a plus b whole square. Then take and put a is the 1 by x, b is the 1 by y. So what you get the solution? Going to see what is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab we can write a plus b whole square. Therefore the final solution we get, see that, so a square plus b square plus 2ab we can write a plus b whole square. A value is the 1 by x, b value is the 1 by y. Therefore a plus b whole square up 1 by x plus 1 by y whole square. So this is the required solution. Therefore finally take it 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 2 by xy equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y whole square. This is the required solution, hence answer over.